In today's video, I will show you guys how to fix the operation could not be completed because the volume is dirty. Error. Method 1. Reinstall device drivers. Open Device Manager. Locate disk driver. Expand the disk drive section. Right-click on your external drive and select Uninstall device. This will trigger Windows to automatically reinstall the driver. Method 2. Run the check disk utility. Run check disk, type replace X with your drive letter and press enter. This will scan and repair any file system errors on your drive. Method 3. Format the drive. Caution: formatting will erase all data on the drive. Open File Explorer, navigate to your external drive. Right-click on the drive, select Format, choose a file system and start the formatting process. If you've lost data due to the volume is dirty error, you can try using data recovery software like Remo Recovers. Download and install the software. Choose the affected drive in the software. Start the scanning process. Preview the recovered files and then select the ones you want to recover. By following these methods, you should be able to fix the volume is dirty error and regain access to your data. To know more on the operation, could not be completed because the volume is dirty error, click on the link in description.